Hello 5th class, let's take a look at page 131, question 4. Aaron had €8, he spent €5 on a healthy burger. First write this information as a fraction. So, he spent €5 out of the €8 that he had, so my fraction is 5/8. Then use a calculator to find what decimal and what percentage of his money he spent. Okay, well a quick estimation first. I know that 4/8 would be a half, and that would be 50%. So I'm expecting this this percentage to be greater than 50%. Okay, all right, so I need my calculator, and I'm going to put in 5 divided by 8, get it as a percent. So my percentage is 62.5%. and that is bigger than 50%, so I think I'm right. So it's either 62.5%, or I could write it as 62.5%. And as a decimal, that would be 0.625.